I'm going to show you how you can edit the mobile view of your Shopify store. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is actually very important because probably most of your customers will visit your store from their phones. So it's important to have your store optimized and beautiful for the mobile view. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer for Shopify that will get you any Shopify plan you want for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So you can choose any plan. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will be almost €400 per month. But with this special offer, it's just €1. So I will leave the link with this offer on the description below so you can take that advantage and use Shopify for very cheap. After you have everything ready, you need to go to online store and then right here you should find your theme. So click on edit theme. Now you should see something like this where you can preview your store. And to switch to the mobile view, you need to click right here. And this is how your store looks like on mobile. So you can go and just change anything you want. And this is basically so you can preview your store on mobile. So you can just customize whatever you want. Let's say you want to add something to the footer. You can do it right here and then see how it will look like on this preview. And that's it. That's basically how you can see the mobile preview of your store so you can optimize it for phones. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.